Maxim 22. Affairs succeeded by patience, and a hasty man fails. I saw with my eyes in the desert that a slow man overtook a fast one. A galloping horse, fleeting like the wind, fell back, whilst the camel man continued slowly in his progress. Now, that's actually part of the thing. But again, I'll bring up the example of prayer. You don't, you relax and all this other stuff. And sometimes it's actually quicker if you just relax through it and focus and do it right. But if you're hasty and uncareful, and there's also the people who just try to jump in and do too much extra at once. Oh, well, they're praying half an hour prayers and all this stuff, and but they burn out, and or they go in spurts, and they just don't do as much as the other people.